In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy an email thread in Gmail step by step in 2026. Whether you want to share a full conversation with someone, save an important discussion for later, or keep a backup of your emails, Gmail makes the process quick and easy once you know where to find the right option. So let's jump straight into it. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once your inbox loads, locate the email thread you want to copy or share. An email thread contains all replies connected to the same subject, which keeps the entire conversation organized in one place. Open the thread so you can view all the messages together. After opening the conversation, move your cursor to the top right corner of the email thread. There, you'll see the three-dot menu icon, also known as the More Options menu in Gmail. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu with additional email management features. Inside the drop-down menu, look for the option called Forward All and click on it. This feature automatically combines the entire email thread into a new draft email. Instead of forwarding messages one by one, Gmail places the complete conversation into a single email, making it much easier to share long discussions without missing any important details. Once you click Forward All, Gmail will open a new draft message containing the full email thread. You'll notice that every reply and message from the conversation is already included inside the email body. At this point, simply enter the recipient's email address in the To field so you can send the copied thread to the correct person. Before sending the email, you can also add your own notes or comments at the top of the message if needed. This is useful if you want to explain the context of the conversation or highlight important details for the recipient. Take a moment to review the thread and make sure all messages were included correctly. When everything looks good, click the Send button to share the copied email thread. Gmail will then deliver the full conversation exactly as it appears in your inbox, allowing the recipient to easily follow the discussion from start to finish. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to copy and share an email thread in Gmail in 2026. This is one of the easiest ways to keep conversations organized and share important email discussions quickly and professionally. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Gmail tips, tutorials, and tech guides.